In this video, I will show you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on google.com. So if you want to go ahead and change your language back to English, the first thing you're going to want to do from google.com is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots to open up this menu. Now currently my language is set to Spanish. As you can see, everything here is in Spanish. So what you want to do from this menu is come down and click onto the settings, which is going to be this gear icon just down here. Then what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left hand side and click onto languages, which is going to be this option here with this language icon, which looks like this. Now from here you're going to see a list of languages at the top. If you do know the English language from here, what you can do is just come to the right of the language, click onto the three dots and click onto the top option. If you don't have English in this list of languages, what you want to do is click onto this button here. Then what you can do is use the search box and just go ahead and type English. As you can see, this is going to come up. So what you want to do is select it to add it to the list. So you want to tick it and then come down and click this button here, and it's going to add it to the list, as you can see at the bottom. So once you've added English, what you want to do is come to the right, click onto the three dots next to English, and then click onto this box here at the top of the menu. As you can see, the language has now been selected, and all you want to do is click onto this button here, which is going to go ahead and relaunch Chrome. And when Chrome relaunches, it's actually going to relaunch in English. So you'll see when it reloads through that everything is now back to English. So that is how to change Google Chrome language back to English. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.